Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you'd like to enable the autocorrect in your Android or turn on the spell check on your Android phone, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the steps for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So you can access your settings application for that. Go ahead and tap on settings. And once you access your settings, you can go to general management. So scroll down, find the option for general management and go ahead and tap on it. And there you'll be finding your keyboard, usually depending upon the device. Right now I am using a Samsung, so I have this option of Samsung keyboard. So you can look out for your keyboard settings and tap on it. And once you access your settings, what we need to do is basically look out for smart typing or something like predictive text, such kind of options. So if you have this option of predictive text as well, you can just go over and turn this option right here. What it will do is it will basically go ahead and enable the autocorrect in your Android. Or if you'd like to select this another option for automatic correction, which is auto replace, you can tap on it and you can turn on this one right here. You can tap on this and it will suggest corrections to see suggestions as you type. So you can just go over and do so. You may follow up this method and you should be enabling the autocorrect in your Android and turning on the spell check on your Android. You may just go ahead and access the keyboard in any of the applications and it will start suggesting you and even autocorrect the word that may be wrong. And that is it, everybody. Those are the methods you can follow for that. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.